Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching ITI in Me channel Electrician. Today I am going to explain Semester 1 Module 2 Basics of AC and Electrical. Its multiple choice question means NIMI question bank. Let's start with first question. Electrical conductivity of gold is asking what is the percentage of electrical conductivity of gold is. These are the options. We know that electrical conductivity of silver is 100%. Electrical conductivity of copper is 94%. Electrical conductivity of gold is 67%. Electrical conductivity of aluminum is 56%. So we can say that electrical conductivity of gold is 67%. This is the answer. What is stationary electric charge? Stationary electric charge means the charge which cannot move. Okay, so the charge which cannot move, we say that static electric charges. Okay, this is the answer. What is the unit of electric charge? These are the options. We know that the unit of electric charge is coulomb. Coulomb is the answer. Which material contain 8 electrons in valence layer? These are the options. We know that the conductor having 1, 2 or up to 3 valence electrons. Likewise, semiconductors having only 4 valence electrons. Insulators having more than 5 valence electrons. Maybe 5 or 6 or 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever it may be. So answer is insulators having 8 valence electrons. Which material is used as electrical insulator? We know that gallium is a semiconductor, aluminum is a conductor, germanium is a semiconductor, but porcelain is a insulator. Okay, porcelain is a insulator. Which electrical parameter opposes the flow of electrons? We know that what is the meaning of resistance? The property of a material which opposes the flow of electrons in the circuit is known as resistance. Therefore, the resistance opposes the flow of electrons. How the single strand wire is called? We know that the single strand wire, we can say that contain flexible wire also, multi-strand wire also, twisted wire also. Okay, the single strand wires comes in many form, in flexible wire also, twisted wire also, hookup wire also, and multi-strand wires also. But in this question is asking particularly only one strand. Okay, only one strand. So we can say that a single strand wire is hookup wire. Okay, the answer is hookup wire. This is very important. What is the purpose of covering provided on the electrical conductor? Means the electrical conductor having insulating material outside the bare conductor. Okay, he is asking what is the purpose of insulating material? These are the options. We know that insulating material, protection against weather. Okay, the purpose of insulating material is protection against weather is the answer. Which cores are used in intermediate frequency transformer? The question is asking the transformer is made up of which core? Okay, the transformer core is made up of which material? These are the options. We know that the transformer cores are made up of steel. Silicon steel is the answer. Which material conducts electricity? We know that mica is an insulator, paper is an insulator, glass is an insulator. Therefore, these three materials does not allow electricity. Only copper conducts the electricity because this is a conductor. How many electrons are contained in coulomb of electric charge? We know that 1 coulomb of electric charge means 6.25 into 10 raised to plus 18 electrons. Therefore, answer is option number D. What is the percentage of conductivity of electric current in silver? We know that the percentage of conductivity of silver is 100%. Therefore, answer is 100%. What is the percentage of conductivity of electric current in aluminium? We know that the aluminium contains 56%. Here, answer is 0.56 because if you multiply by 0.56 into 100, if we convert this decimal into a percentage, the answer is 56%. Therefore, option number C is the answer. How the movement of electrons through a conductor in a particular direction is called? Okay, in this question, he is asking that the flow of electrons in a circuit is called what? The flow of electrons in a circuit is called electric current. Which metal has very good conductivity to electric current? We know that among the four, silver has 100% electrical conductivity. Which electrical property opposes the flow of electrons? I already explained the property of a material which opposes the flow of electrons is called resistance. Resistance opposes the flow of electrons. How the single strand wire is called? I already explained single strand wire is called hookup wire. Okay, this is very important question. That's why it is repeating. What is the percentage of conductivity of electric current in copper? We know that the electrical conductivity of copper is 94%. Okay, 0.94 multiplied by 100, it converted into percentage. So 94% will come. Therefore, answer is 0.94. How many gauge number in standard wire gauge changed to double the cross-section area of the conductor? This is very important question. Okay, the question is how many gauge numbers in standard wire gauge changed to double the cross-section area of the conductor? Means these are the options are there. I will tell the directly answer and explain in next slide. The answer is 3 gauge size decreased. Okay, the answer is 3 gauge size decreased. How? See here. Here 0 standard wire gauge. Okay, 1 wire gauge, 1 SWG. Okay, the gauge number increases from 0 to 36. 0, see here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, going on, and 30. Okay, after that, where is 36? After 30, here 31. Okay, here 32, here 33, here 34, here 35, here 36. Means as a higher the gauge number indicates thinner the wire. Okay, this is very important. Higher the gauge number indicates thinner the wire. See here. This is gauge number 36. Okay, it is having thinner diameter. Okay, compared to here. See, this is 0 gauge. 0 gauge having large dia. Okay, the 0 gauge having large dia. The larger gauge number having thinner dia. This is very important. See here. The circular area doubles for every 3 gauge sizes. For example, 10 SWG has approximately twice the area of 13 SWG. Means, see here. Where is 10 SWG? See here. This is the 10 SWG. Okay. Suppose you are having a dia here, okay, 2 square mm, okay, 2 SWG, okay. You come to 3 digits, 11, 12, 13, okay. Up twice the area means here the conductor length becomes half of the diameter. Suppose here is the dia is the 1 SWG, the dia of 13 SW is half, 1 by 2, it becomes half. This meaning only na. What is telling, see here, the circular area doubles for every 3 gauge. Okay, means here 13. Okay, here 13 is there. So, okay, you reset your mind. I will explain once again. Okay, this is 13 SWG. The gauge number is 13 SWG. Okay, I am giving example. Suppose here the diameter is 4 square mm. This is only the example. Okay, here the diameter is 4 square mm. If I am checking to 12 SWG, 11 SWG and 10 SWG, in 10 SWG the diameter becomes 4 square mm to 2 square mm. Okay, here 2 square mm. Okay, means it's double. Sorry, here 4 means here 8. Okay, here 4 square mm means here 8 square mm. Okay, here double, it's the 8 square mm. Okay, this is very important question is there. Okay, if you are going from 10 to 13, the dia is decreasing to half. If we are going 13 to 10, the dia is decreasing to increasing to double. Okay, 10 to 13 decreasing, 13 to 10 increasing. What? Diameter of the conductor. Okay, this is something confusing is there, but I think it is very important. So next, what is the fundamental properties of insulation materials? These are the options. We know that the fundamental properties of insulating materials are its insulation resistance and dielectric strength. Okay, option D is the answer. This is very important. What is the shape of standard wire gauge? Okay, we know the standard wire gauge is asking what is the shape of the standard wire gauge. We know that it's look like a circular metal disc. Okay, option number B is the answer. Which electrical quantity is directly proportional to the current carrying capacity of the conductor? We know that the current carrying capacity of the conductor, it's depend on its wire resistance. If the resistance is low, the current carrying capacity is high. If the resistance is high, the current carrying capacity of the conductor is less. Okay, it's directly proportional to its wire resistance. Okay, thanks for watching my YouTube channel.